Today, much stricter controls are in place to ensure that even the lowest level of contaminants are kept out of our water supply. We visited a farm in northwestern Oklahoma to see how a device called a geoprobe is helping the state get a better look at our soil and what's going into our groundwater.
The hogs may be harmless, but if the lagoon starts leaking, it could be a dirty problem.
You could have groundwater that wasn't drinkable, or you could have a major fish kill in a pond or a lake.
Licensed drillers like Kenny Naylor go wherever water flows, even before they need to. Oklahoma Agriculture, Food and Forestry's Jack Carson says it's part of the state's pledge to get to the bottom of any problem.
We take our job of protecting the environment, of regulating agriculture very, very seriously.
We use the geoprobe to sample, and if there's been a contamination, then we clean that up.
The Ag Department's newest tool, the geoprobe, has been a game changer.
This machine pushes down. It also has what we call a hammer. Kind of hits it real hard and vibrates it and helps it push its way down to the soil.
Going faster and further than ever before.
You know, when we were using a hand probe, you're limited in how many samples you can pull a day. 2 or 3 in a hard clay soil, that was really, a hard, long day.
If we don't hit anything real hard, we can easily go up to 60 feet.
Soil scientist Jim Shirazi gets the dirt on what's in the soil.
Once you know what the pollution is, you can take care of it. Right here, this is a heavy clay.
We have some of the most qualified hydrologists, engineers, and technicians in the industry, and this is a tool to help them do their job.
With taking more sample comes an even better understanding.
There's no question. You get the information on a site-specific basis, where the things are, how the geology is.
If we have our ability to find a leak like this before it actually reaches the groundwater, we are that much better able to stop the problem before it really becomes something that will take years and years.
Leading the way today for tomorrow.
We do promote agriculture, and we are out there beating the drum for Oklahoma agriculture, not just here but internationally. But we understand that if we're going to continue to do that, we have to protect the environment.
A simple drill watching over our water supplies by going underground.
Well, as you can imagine, we've only broken the surface of issues surrounding Oklahoma's water supplies. In the coming weeks, we'll revisit the issue, but in the meantime, you can see more on Oklahoma's water resources, plus some of the full interviews from today's stories. Simply head to our newly remodeled website at okhorizon.com and click on this week's Value Added.